In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play One-Armed Robber multiplayer with friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to play One-Armed Robber together with your friends. You can easily invite them when you go inside of the game, and all that you need is to make sure that you have them added on Steam. So, as long as both of you are on each other's friends lists through Steam, you will be able to invite and play together. So go over to your name over here, go to friends and add them before starting if needed. Afterwards, when you get inside of the game, all that you have to do is use this menu at the left side of the screen. So on the main menu, you will see all of your friends, so they will be listed here. When you find the specific person you want to invite and you click on them, you will see the option to invite the game. So you will see their little profile picture here, the name, whatever they're doing, and if you click on them, you will find invite to game. You can also choose the option to join their game directly, but if you send the invite, they will get a notification that they can accept. Immediately upon accepting, they will appear right beside you on the main menu. And of course, you can invite more friends to play together. Once you have everyone here in the lobby on the main menu, choose the map or the heist that you want to do. So click on the heist over here at the bottom right, and you will be able to change between all of them. So Jewelry Store, Liberty Hawk Bank, Pegasus Museum of Art, and so on. Whenever everyone is good to go, ready up, change the lobby type if you prefer. This way no other random people can join, so you can set it to private, for example, or you can browse a game if you want to fill the remaining spots with random people, and once you go inside, you are ready to play. You will see their friends, they will have their name tags, and of course, all of you are playing together on any heist available in One-Armed Robber. I hope I was able to help you on how to play One-Armed Robber multiplayer with friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.